guys, so this is a reading for those who are in separation. I already shuffled the cards and meditated on them, so let's see. You, your person, let's see your feelings and actions, their feelings and actions. This person is very selfish right now, stuck in their own ways, with a scarcity mindset, breadcrumbing you, not willing to give or invest in this relationship, completely different from you, that is willing to go ahead, make the changes necessary to start over and make things work between you guys, really build something important. What needs to be done for this to work? You guys need to let this person work on themselves. Either they are very selfish in a very selfish moment, or they are acting in a very narcissistical way, breadcrumbing, not willing to give, not willing to invest, scarcity mind. Contrary of you, you have an abundance mind and are willing to fix things. Give it time and let's see if their energy changes in the next reading, okay? Thank you so much. I hope the reading helped and I see you on the next one. Bye.